What we're going to do is look at some issues about duty of care and delegation, breach of care, the consent issues that are always problematic for practitioners, the issues about resiling from admissions, which is a constant theme, a new case about clinical negligence as a novus actus, a couple of cases just about experts, because there are always quite a few, and offers, contributions, something about life expectancy, an unusual case about Data Protection Act, which you might be able to use in some other context, and then a little bit about bits of costs, just the bits that apply in terms of clinical negligence. It is not a costs lecture. The Court of Appeal rejected this. The Court of Appeal said, firstly, the pleadings weren't particularly specific on the point. The particulars claim mentioned neuropathic pain, so they didn't deal with nerve compression as such. The claimants themselves had not been cross-examined on it, so clearly there was a difficulty there. But the totality of the evidence, they said, suggested that regardless of whether inquiries were made or not, this was a case where the pain had been severe and for a long period of time. One of the other cases that came out this year is the case of Scarcliffe and Brampton Valley, and this was a classic example of experts, very little communication, and having to change their view at the last minute. So it was a disastrous claim. It was a PI claim, but it could easily have been clinical negligence. The claim was put at 6 million and settled for less than 300,000. So you can see there immediately the issues in the case. And the issues are with care experts, orthopedics, and pain. This is a woman who said that she could not look after her children. She couldn't function because of pain as a result of orthopedic procedures. Having suggested that she couldn't look after her family, social workers had to be involved, and they did assessments. Now, those assessments were available but didn't become available till quite a late stage. And they differed quite considerably from the experts' assessments. She had clearly said something different to social workers, understandably, than she had perhaps said to other people. And they did not confirm that she was too disabled by pain to cope with her own children.